WGN Morning News at 9.
Welcome back. Coming up this half hour, fun activities to get the kids thinking creatively and having some fun this summer.
Plus, we've got live music from 14-year-old country singer Kiva. First, though, we're going to get some ideas for your 4th of July barbecue. Dean's outside grilling this morning. We've got your pizza right now. It's delicious.
I would like the pizza. Very good.
It's
we
so
had
good.
A potato and pasta salad with grilled vegetables and pesto that was fantastic, grilled salmon, and also something perfect for a grill out, kind of finger food, lemon pepper chicken legs. Super easy to make. All of these things, so easy to make, super delicious. And of course, obviously, we're starting off with some chicken legs. Very simple to this. We're just going to put some salt and pepper on both sides of it. I'm only going to do one side of it right now, but when you do it, you need to do both sides. I don't want to get my fingers all contaminated up. But basically, salt and pepper, and I marinated it in fresh lemon juice. I put it all in a plastic bag, marinated it overnight in lemon juice, and then put it on the grill, indirect heat. It's been in here for about 20 minutes or so, and I've been turning and turning and turning and turning to make sure that it's evenly cooked. I'm pretty sure that these are all done, but you can never be too careful when it comes to poultry. And this would be your best friend with that, an instant read thermometer. It's going to go into whatever you're cooking. It should be about 160 degrees. Don't put it on the bone, but it goes into the meatiest part of whatever it is you're cooking. And as you can see, this is 164 degrees. So we are absolutely done. And I've been basting these with lemon pepper butter with honey. I mixed the honey and the lemon pepper all together. And I've been, every time I turn it, I would baste it a little bit. I'm just going to get these on here kind of quick and give it one more baste. There we go. All right. So, got it right over here. This is about a stick of butter, way more than I needed, but maybe like a half a stick of butter and the juice of a couple of lemons. I gave it a little bit of honey in here as well. It's going to give it a little bit of tart and a little bit of sweet. And oh man, are these things delicious. You put these things out like we've been doing in our newsroom this morning and at our anchor desk, you would have thought that some of these people had not ever eaten food in their lives. It makes the cook very happy to know that they're enjoying the food here this morning. But this is unbelievably delicious. The recipe is at WGNTV.com/Dean's List. All the recipes, the pasta potato salad, the grilled salmon, the variety of pizzas that we made this morning, everything's up on the web, WGNTV.com/Dean's List. And once again, thank you to our friends at Jewel Osco. Have a great 4th, safe and delicious holiday. Guys, we'll send it back into you.
Loved it, Dan. Thanks so much, buddy.